Hello, I'm Emmanuel from Oxylus Flash. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do the first configuration for this template. Add modules, choosing the right scheme, basically all the things you need to know to start building your site using our administration panel. The configuration section has the following subsections: global settings, where you can add the settings affecting the entire site; installed skins, where you can manage the default skins or upload new skins; installed modules, where you can find all the modules available for use in the site; enabled modules, the modules selected to appear in the site; and install folders, a special place to create all the needed folders for uploading your materials like images, videos, and so on. We are going to take each section one by one now. First, global settings. Here you can select which skin theme will be used in the site from the drop-down containing a list of all installed skins. You can disable the browser XML cache. It's recommended to uncheck this while you are updating the site for an easier preview of the changes you make, but you should enable it back when you finish. In the logo section, you can upload any image to be used as the site logo. We recommend you to use transparent PNGs for better visuals. You can also edit the copyright text that appears in the site footer. Here. Default meta fields. These fields are used for search engine optimization. Another useful special feature is the Google Analytics tracking code. By enabling this, you'll be able to track all the visitor activity on your site. You can see an example here. Okay, the next section is the storage folders. Here you can see all the folders and if all the writing permissions are set correctly. In case there are any errors, they will appear in red, and in that case you need to go and set the permission manually. For more details, please read the installation document attached to this template. Now let's go to installed skins. By default, there are two skins we are offering with this template out of the box, black and white. If you want to upload a new skin customized by you, just click on the Add New Record button. In the next screen, please fill in all the fields. The name of the skin sets up how you want it to show up in the admin. My custom skin. The folder must be one word without any spaces, where all the flash files of the skin will be stored. It will be auto-generated from the folder from the skin name. The last field is where you upload the zip archive with all the files. A few things to keep in mind: the archive must have all the flash files directly in the root and must contain all the required flash files for modules you have installed. Now click Save and that's all. The next section is Installed Modules. Here you'll find a list with all the default modules, each with their default settings. Click on the right button to go edit the changes for each module if needed. If you are going to use this template as it is, you don't need to make any changes here. The next and one of the most important sections is Enabled Modules. Here you can see the list of all active modules. You can change the order of the modules and this will reflect on the site's top main menu. If you want to add a new module, click on the Add New Record. Select the module type you want to add and then type the title for this new module. My About module. then click Next. In this new screen, you can configure the URL prefix for this module. It must be unique to avoid any conflict with any other installed modules. As a trick, if you click on the menu name and then you click out, the URL prefix will be auto-generated from that field. Browser title is the title to appear in the browser, and the long title is the long name of the module that appears in the content area. Okay, now let's just click Save. On this new screen you'll have tabs leading to other subsections where you can upload all the materials for this particular module. But we'll cover this in other tutorials. As a note, you can add as many modules of a certain type as you need. With this being said, we covered all the configuration section for this template. All the best. Emanuel Giurgia, Oxalus Flash.